afternoon, guys. How are you? I hope you guys are doing very well. I know it has been a long time since I have made any videos because I was sick and having some health issues. Today, I decided I want to show you a nice video about how we can scalp using hit and run tactic. It will be based on support and resistance, of course, as usual, and I will show you the right way to do this. But first, you need to watch one video first. If you go to my Facebook group, Extreme Forex Trader, sorry. By the way, this group is free to join for everyone. There is no rules, there is no conditions to join this group. You can immediately join it, and here right in front of you, two people want to join, and I will approve them directly. So there is no conditions to join this group. So again, when you go to this group, you can just click on videos, and there is one video that you need to watch actually in order to understand what you are about to see now. This video here, it was almost the first video I have ever downloaded on my Forex group, and in this video I was talking about support and resistance. Good evening, guys. Now I'm here. So this is how to trade Forex using support and resistance, and I will put the link in the description of the video so you can all watch it directly. I highly recommend you guys watch this video first if you want to really understand the scalping method I'm about to use in this video. So hit and run. What is hit and run? Hit and run is just scalping method where you just trade based on support and resistance, and you just take 3-4 pips and you go away. Now of course there is no much difference from the target in the normal scalping strategy which we are using, but this one will open more doors for you to find more setups. In the original strategy, what we are looking for is a breakout, and we look of course that there was a support before the breakout, and then we enter again the same support level after the breakout. But what about this one here, the second attempt? So we have here, let me just erase that. We have here, for example, a first resistance attempt. What about the next one? Why don't we enter this one? We will enter this one, and I will show you the way how we can scalp using this method. So what we are looking for now is a support or resistance with one single attempt. For example, here I see this breakout candle. It's breaking out from this resistance. This was a resistance. So this is the breakout candle, and right now we have here the support number 1. So what I'm waiting for right now is to have the support attempt number 2. I am waiting for the candles to reach this level again, and what I'm going to do, guys, since my profession is scalping, so I know very well how I can earn from the Forex using scalping method. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to wait for one candle to reverse, and I will take my profit out of it. It could be maybe 3-4 pips, maybe 5-6 pips, and that's it. If you want to have a consistently profit on Forex, and you want to have if you want to avoid losses, if you want to have consistent profit, just remember, pip after pip will make you rich. You are different from the other people who are losing in Forex because of their greediness. They are losing because they want to earn as much pips as they can. People asking me question, how can I earn 100 pips per day? How can I get 500 pips every week? And I tell them, if you want to think like this, then you can't make it. You just need to remember, patience is the secret to earn money in Forex. You can never be successful if you are not patient enough. You have to be patient to the maximum. Just wait for the right setup. Guys, sometimes I spend the whole day without entering one trade because I cannot find my right setup which I'm looking for. If you want to be successful in trading, you must be patient enough to find the perfect setup. Don't enter a setup that maybe work, maybe not. Don't do that. You have to avoid this. As you can see, guys, this is my live account. Someone is messaging me on Facebook. I don't have time to answer right now. This is my live account, and there is no demo, as you can see. And here I see market live. So people are criticizing me for not doing videos on my live account. I don't know, that is my personal life, but somehow I feel like, okay, let me show you, because some people saying that you cannot do the same on live account, because on demo account you have bigger balls, but you cannot have the same big balls on real live account, and that is actually really funny. No, you can have the same size of balls using demo or real. If you know what you are doing, then you are good to go. Otherwise, just stay in demo and don't think about going to real. So what I'm going to do is I'm waiting for this candle to touch this same line which I have drawn here. Let me tell you something about drawing my line like this. If you remember, I mentioned before that if we want to get the right setup of drawing the line, for example, let me see how I can do that. Or you know something? I will leave it for later. Let's now talk about support and resistance. So until this one happen, I cannot wait for it a long time. Let me show you how you can find setups using support and resistance very quickly for scalping. Remember something, you can do this based on any time frame from 1 hour and below. Any time frame from 1 hour and below. 4 hours, don't do that. There is different rules for that. 1 hour is fine, 30 minutes is fine. We just need to find support 1 and support 2 and enter. We need to find resistance 1, resistance 2 and enter. Sorry, that was resistance 1 and 2 and 3. We can see that even here resistance 1 and this one here resistance 2. So what we need to find is a single attempt of a support or resistance, and we will enter the second attempt. Now you might tell me, but here we have a support, attempt number 1, but it didn't work. I tell you no, wait, hold on. Remember we are on the 30-minute charts, and we have here this support line like this, and now I'm seeing a potential reversal, because if you have seen my old video, I told you if you have a support with long wick, you have to draw your line, the blue line, on the bottom of the longest wick, the bottom or the top of the longest wick. So what I'm going to do now is, after switching to 30 minutes, I see a potential here that this support number 1, because if we look at the left, there is no previous support. We see a breakout candle, there is no previous support. Good. So let me now just wait. Let me just wait more time. I'm on 30-minute chart. Let me switch to 15-minute chart, and I can see there is symptoms of reversal. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to place buy. Just like that. I will explain later the reason why I placed buy here. And you can see the candle is going down a little bit just to touch the bottom of this wick here. Then it will go up again. Remember, I'm on the 15-minute chart. Let me switch to the 5-minute chart. And yes, we can see that even on the 5-minute chart, we have here a support number 1, and now the candle went down to create support number 2. And now it should actually reverse and go up. Let me set my take profit. It will be to the nearest resistance, which is here. Remember something, guys, you cannot do this kind of scalping on another broker than IC Markets or ECN accounts. Because I'm using IC Markets, it's very easy for me to trade this way because I'm avoiding the huge spread count. There is no spread in IC Markets, and that is so much beautiful in them, and that's why I'm really enjoying the trade using this method. So I'm waiting for the candle to reverse. You can see so far I'm in $2 loss. That is fine. Yeah, by the way, I forgot to tell you. As you know, in IC Markets, the minimum deposit is $200. That's why I have deposited $200. So far it's 54 profit. And I wanted to show you the reality. If because I know some people when they open new accounts they will deposit the minimum, which is $200. That's why I had to show you the reality. If you are going to deposit the minimum, how much profit can you make? So far $54 profit. And let's see how this candle is reacting. You can see now it's reversing it. I think it will go up, and I believe my entry point was perfect. So again, let me explain the reason why I entered here. Because I see here that there was here a small resistance, and we have here the breakout candle. It break out from this level. So we have here this support number 1, and I entered as support number 2. Support number 2. And again, I'm reminding everyone, if you didn't understand, please refer to my Facebook group and watch my first video about how to trade Forex using support and resistance. I don't have to explain the whole thing again. So I'm thinking to pause the video until we see the result to save your time. So yep, I will now pause the video. Yeah, so our trade so far still going on, but I was hoping on this trade, which I have actually missed, unfortunately. I was aiming for this one, but while recording, I missed it. We can see on the GBP GPY, we had here a resistance number 1, and I have missed the entry here on resistance number 2. You might tell me, come on, man, it is still there. I will tell you, no, please don't do that. Because when you are scalping, it's very important where you're entering your trade. You cannot enter your trade late. If I entered late, I was supposed to enter at this long wick. I have missed 6 pips. 6 pips, that is my target when I'm trading. 6 pips is my profit, which I will take. 6 or 7 pips, that's fine for me. That's why if I enter here, it will be very late entry, and unfortunately I have missed it, even though I was waiting for it. So let's see. I will try to find the setup right in front of you. Hopefully we can find it quickly. Notice I am on the 30-minute chart. Let me switch to 15-minute. Okay, so switch to 15-minute, and I'm waiting to find a support or resistance with the first attempt. Right now here there is nothing. So go to the USD Canadian, and right now there is actually nothing to mention. GBP USD. Oh my god, we have good setup here for our strategy, which is, we can see here the resistance, and we see this long breakout candle, and I am right now on the same level which I want. This is not about hit and run. This is about the original scalping strategy which we are using already, and I just couldn't ignore it. I cannot just ignore it, guys, sorry. So I will set my take profit to be at the next nearest support, which is here. Here we can see the nearest support, and I have entered at this resistance. Notice I'm not setting any stop loss because I am relying on the price action to decide the stop loss. I don't make my stop loss based on the level. I make it based on the price action. So we can see now so far our trades actually in profit, but the commission is taking a part. So we have to wait for them. So far this is actually in profit, very low profit, not to mention this one as well. Let's wait more of time and see what will gonna happen later. So now let me pause the video again. So you can see I just paused the video for a few seconds, and already we having small profit in our hand. That's what I'm calling hit and run. So you can see the small reversal, give me about 3 pips, close it. That's it. Very simple. That's how you can make profit from Forex slowly, guys. Even if you have $200 investment, you can make good profit even though it's very small, but you can trade the whole day using this method. I was about to close this one, but you can see now it's making a small pullback. I'm sure it's gonna fall down, and it will give me profit. I'm just trying to show you slowly you can make it during the whole day. if you're using this method, uh, during the whole day, you might find about 20 setups. Each one you can make about $2 to $3, and considering the losses, you might have about 80% percentage of winning trades. Therefore, you can end the day with about $30 to $40 profit. Don't think about $2. Ah, that's a small profit. It doesn't do anything. It means nothing. No, it means something. $2 after $3 after $4, it will make for you a decent profit by the end of the day after doing so many scalping trades. That is how you make profit from scalping. Accept the small profit, take it. That is what I'm calling hit and run. Just take it and go. Don't think about earning so much money from the scalping in one single trade. You will get good profit by the end of the day, not by end of the trade. So I'm thinking to close this one with a profit at least $3 maybe. Let me see and try to find another good setup. Again, what I'm trying to find is a support or resistance with a single attempt. Here we have a potential. I'm not really thinking I should do it. This one is not really convenient for me because we see so many wicks here around this candle. That's why I feel like I should avoid it. By the way, our trade here is going in profit, almost $3. Take it. So now I started the video with $254. Now it's almost 260. Good profits, guys. Slowly, slowly, you can grow up your account. So let me continue searching for another support and resistance with a single attempt, and I will enter the second attempt. Keep in your mind, it's very important that we enter only the second attempt of the support or resistance. Don't enter the third attempt. Make sure you are entering only the first one. And unfortunately, there was here a good setup which I have missed. And you can see this is the first attempt of my support, and here we have the second attempt. I need to pause the video for 1 second. Guys, please, again and again and again, for the third time, I'm reminding everyone, if you did not understand what I'm talking about in this video, please go to the Forex group on Facebook, Xtreme Forex Trader, go to videos on the left side, hit the button, and then scroll down until you find this video. And again, I'm telling you, I'm going to post the link in the description in the video on YouTube, so you can find this video directly. Please, guys, watch this video. It will enlighten your vision about how to trade using support and resistance. It could be one of the most valuable videos you can ever see. So again, we have missed a good entry here. Euro Canadian. You know something? Maybe I will upload this video on my YouTube channel as well. It's very important and I want everyone to watch it. Okay, let me try to find another setup using support and resistance. Here we have something very important. We can see that unfortunately it didn't really work, or maybe it worked. Let me see. I am on the 15-minute chart. Let me switch to the 1 minute. And actually no, it did not work here, and that is normal. Every strategy has a winning ratio. So I think the right way to place my support line will be right here. So this is my support number 1, and I can wait here for support number 2. Of course, that will take a long time. Let me search for another attempt. Here we can find. Actually, look at this. I want to explain to you. This setup here is matching our original scalping strategy, but the thing is, it is on a resistance level. If I go to the 4-hour chart, I am on a resistance. Check this out. So therefore, I cannot apply my old scalping strategy on the setup. It's not good at all, so you have to avoid it. Again, let me search for a support and resistance with the second attempt, and this is the one really hurting me. I have missed this one here. Yes, even if I enter late, I could have make money, but better guys, always wait. If you missed one setup, don't worry, there are millions and millions of setups coming to you. Don't worry about it at all. Don't think about any setup you have missed. If you missed one, just forget about it, leave it, and just find another one. As simple as that. By the way, this is, I think, the first one which we have entered, and it is using my original scalping strategy, and we can see how it actually worked very well. But I'm in this video showing you how to hit and run. So I cannot find anything on the 15-minute chart. Let me switch now to the 5-minute chart, hopefully to find something, and I will search again on the pairs on GBP, JPY. We have here something of a support, but I don't think I want to do that. No. That will be maybe wrong. Here we can have something like this, or actually no, like this. Yeah, that's better. So this is support number 1, and I can enter at support number 2, but again, this might take some time. We need to find something right now. I think here that should be working also. Here we can have something on this support level. Let me try to find something that will happen right now. I don't want to make this video so long. I know you guys are feeling boring sometimes of long videos. I know, don't worry. If I couldn't find anything, I will just close the video. Try again. Try here and there. AUD and ZD, nothing. CAT CHF, nothing. Any support or resistance with a second attempt. Maybe we lost this one. We missed this one. We can see, guys, this was a resistance. So we can see the candle. This is the resistance number 1, and here we have resistance number 2. We can see the candle actually touch this level, and now it's reversing. It's reversing. Yeah, I have missed this trade. About 2 pips I have missed. I'm thinking if I should enter again, and it's on a resistance as well. If the candle go a little bit more up, I will place a sell order. Let me just make it ready. Again, this is one of the hit and run methods. The problem is the candle has already touched this level and it reversed. So I'm not really sure at this point if the candles will continue the reversal to go more down. The trend is strongly going down, and we can see here a strong breakout candle and another breakout candle. I'm just waiting to see the price action to decide if I should enter or not. I will switch to the 1-minute chart, and I believe, oh my god, I was about to press sell. Please go a little bit more up. Entering at the right point is very, very important. And actually, maybe I should wait for it to come here before entering. Yes, the reversal has already happened, as you can see, guys. As you can see, almost 2 pips we have missed them. Almost 2 pips have been missing here, and I'm glad actually that my strategy is actually works. It does work. You just need to find the setup, and yes, you can see how I missed it. Almost 3 pips I missed entering. No problem. We have the whole day to enter using this method. Actually, I'm using this method sometimes just to make a quick profit from Forex. It's just a beautiful hit and run style. Again, I'm telling you, it works perfectly, and not only, but works perfectly on IC markets due to the very, very low spread count and the true ECN account type. It's very, very beautiful, guys. Trust me. Scalping with IC markets will give you a whole new level of scalping. I highly recommend you guys to give them a chance and try trading using IC markets. So I believe that strategy was clear so far by this way. Um, I think we should put more rules to make it simple, but I hate make the things complicated. I want you guys to enjoy trading to the maximum. So again, I'm telling you guys, if you feel like you didn't really understand, just watch this video where I'm going to put in the link in the description. Watch this video first, then watch the video today, and trust me, this way you will make a whole good profit from trading forex using hit and run strategy. So next week I will make more videos about hit and run, and I will not make it so long video. I will just record the trades and I will upload it for you. So guys, until then, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this. I hope that was informative to you, and I would like to thank you for watching.